one of the most loved from Cuddl Duds. It's called Fleecewear with Stretch. So this gives you the look, the hand of fleece, but it stretches up to high heavens this way and every which way. It also is a fleece that's a little bit more fluid, so it's got a little natural kind of drape and movement to it. I love this style because you get this really cool sport stripe right on the left-hand side of your shoulder. $43 gets this top home. I have it in, this is Heather Taupe, or it's called Taupe Heather. So Taupe Heather. They're all heathered colors. That's the light gray, and then I should say the black is your solid color choice out of all of them. I do have it, we also have it in an Oxford navy, which looks really cool, especially, see, I think this almost has that really cool, almost like military inspired look. Like it almost feels like a uniform. The stripe on that, like the others, is also black. So it looks really cool. You can wear it with a black pant or with navy. $14.99 gets it home. Karen Thomas is going to be hanging out with us this hour. She is one of our Cuddl Duds brand ambassadors. Going to show us some great ways to mix and match outfits. Why, Karen, I love your outfit.
Thank you, Dolly.
Twinning and winning, my friend.
Well, guess what? It's Groundhog's Day, as you said. So, right, double trouble. We're wearing the same thing.
Wait, do we get to live this day over and over?
Exactly.
At least you'll figure out where not to step in that puddle. If you remember.
Right? See, we're always learning. I love it. I love it. Yes. Okay, so you hit the nail on the head, young love, when you said a fan favorite. Our fleecewear is definitely where it all began for Cuddl Duds well over 50 years ago. We know a whole lot about fleecewear with stretch. And can I just tell you, this is as light as air. And I really think, Allie, that is why so many men and women fall in love with our fleecewear with stretch. Because like you pointed out, super, super soft, but really stretchy and light, brushed, gorgeous blend of poly span. It just has this airiness to it. It will not overheat you, but yet you get halfway through your day or your evening and you just feel that Cuddl Duds coziness. And that's all the fleecewear with stretch. And then, how about our design team going, you know what, let's amp this a little bit and give you a really cool designer detail on the left shoulder. These are faux, so you don't have to fuss with these snaps. They're just there to make you look really super cool and fashiony. And you're going to feel the softness all the way through. So I love your style, advice there, Allie, where you say, you know what, you can do it with, blue pants. I've got the soft rib in the berry. You can do red, black, blue, pair of jeans. You just sweat, joggers, leggings, whatever you have going on. And we do have those coming up, so that's super cool.
These are
but
awesome.
This is what you're going to love. You're going to love the versatility of the crew neck.
Yeah, it's really easy to wear. You've got the coziness of fleecewear, especially fleecewear with stretch, not the fleece of the 90s. But it also has that fashion moment. So you're going to look a little bit more pulled together. If you're looking ahead at your week and you're thinking on your calendar, you've got lunch with a friend and you've got an appointment and you want to have something that you can easily put on that's still comfortable but gives you that style moment, this is the piece to have in your wardrobe. Plus, as Puxatawny Phil would have it, we've got 6 more weeks of winter.
That's right.
Somebody check his accuracy on that one. Oh, Derek for the win. So Derek checked it and he said it's 39% is his accuracy.
Oh, I know. That's
wrong.
Not even halfway.
Sorry, Phil.
I know.
This Taupe Heather is leading the way. So if you love, or was it the gray? I think it might be the gray. It's the gray. Okay, so Taupe Heather, light gray, really popular. There's only 4 dozen. And look how cool. If you did black or even this more alabaster colored pant, it pulls in the stripe. It looks really cool. Did I hear 4 dozen in the gray? Ooh, holy moly, that's not very many. Yeah. And then we also have it in the black as well. And then don't forget that Oxford navy is a really sharp look. It'll look great with your jeans. Today I almost defaulted to like the easy wear a black pant, but sometimes when you switch into navy, it just feels a little bit more fresh. Karen, really quick before we move on from this one, any special care with fleecewear with stretch to keep it looking, good over time and feeling soft?
Yeah, I think that's another beautiful part of the headline. Easy care, easy wear. Throw it in the washer, into the dryer, low heat, tumble dry. And, we always say with our fleecewear with stretch, no extra softeners, dryer sheets. They don't need any of that. It's already super soft.
Yeah, $14.33 on that easy payment. Cuddl Duds is a national brand, so your sizing is just a stitch different than QVC sizing, but not too much.
Right.
So here's the deal. We do have this one available in small through 3X. So please grab your size. And when in doubt, in this kind of silhouette in a crewneck pullover, you can always go up a size. You want it to be a little gracious, but we're getting very limited in this newer item. So be sure to grab it. Taupe heather, light gray, there's the black. You saw the Oxford navy. I'm like a Vitamix right now in my brain. And that was that. I was looking at Myra.